Hello, Moondoggy here, and welcome back to the Dishwasher Vampires. Man, I still fucked it up, and the title's right there. I'm terrible. I'm terrible. I'm awful. Now, we're gonna head back to our girl, the prisoner. I swear, like, she got a lot of stuff. We got a sword, we got a gun, we racking up on toys. So, we're heading toward the pit. Alright, let's do this. He built an empire of his own twisted conceit, dust to dust. Corruption poisons everything, and militia is the cure. Okay. Oh, that's that. That's my gun. That's the switch. Okay. Making sure I got the buttons right. We can't upgrade yet. God, there's so much stuff we can upgrade to. We're gonna get some magic, because magic is life a little bit. And look at that. Alright, let's go. Alright, make sure I got the buttons, because I haven't played this in a bit, so I gotta memorize the buttons. Alright, cat, let's go. Where are we? Wait a minute. What's in here? Was I supposed to? Oh. I was confused. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. And it begins. It begins, ladies and gentlemen. You bitch. Get cut. That bastard got a good hit off me. Got him. Alright, got our little bit of, yep, there it is. Ooh, a present. What do we get? Got a still blood magic. Okay, you learn still blood magic. A storm of blades. LT and Y. LT and Y. Okay, I'll take that into consideration. And that's my gun, okay. I gotta memorize all this now, because I don't remember. You see what happens when you don't stay fresh on your video game skills? You'll forget, and you'll be looking like me, an idiot. I feel like we came this way before. Don't it feel like that? Like we came this way? Get him. Ow. Kitty vitamin. I don't know what that does for me. Can I? Yeah, here we go. Okay. Those are the bees I got equipped. And that's it. So nothing out of the order. Ooh. The Grim Tower, home of sadist General Count Federal Diaboli, full of weapons of torture, despair. Diaboli forces control the moon. They were the one who brought me in. Sick, filthy man. He's second. Okay. Let's get this bastard. Now what? What's going on? Kitty? Kitty, what's going on? We're just here. I'm running on the ceiling. Oh shit. As the president said, get the hell off my plane. But get off my train is the difference. Yeah, you missed. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. You want to end up like your friend back there. Get fucked. Get fucked. He died on me. I don't see no one, Kitty. I think we're good. Oh, we're good. Alright, let's go, Kitty. We're on a mission. Murder. The best kind of mission. Oh shit. As you get the drop on me, I got the drop on you. Ouch. Ouch. Oh shit. Get fucked. Get fucked. Y'all thought you ninjas can stop me? My arm is a goddamn chainsaw. I seen it all. What's down here? Gotta be careful. Boss fight, I knew it. The cadaverous tormentor. Let's do this. Ow, ow. Bad news bears, bad news bears, bad news bears. Ouch. Oh my god. Where am I? Oh. I need help badly. Is it worth eating or is it worth saving? I'll save it. Get fucked. I'll fight your zombie bitches. I'll fight them. Come on. Oh god, no! Where did it come from? Is that me? Oh, okay. I know how he fights. We need speed, maybe. I got it. Got a plan. Alright, come on. Fuck. Get fucked. Get fucked. I'm spamming the shit out of him. I spammed the shit out of him. He didn't stand a chance. You see, when you fight a boss, that's how you beat him. You put them in the corner and you wail on them. You wail the shit out of them. Man, already progressing. That didn't take long at all now, did it? What the hell? Like we doubling back. I don't like that. This place stinks of death. The general has garnered a reputation of sadist. I guess it's all true. Violence without limit and corruption hands will turn any life into a nightmare. Yeah, you know it, girl. Don't worry. We're gonna take care of this. What's up here? Ah, key card. Alright, so we gotta do a double back. How much I got? 104. Might as well increase my health. That health is always a good thing. Alright. So, we're going this way. If I gotta go that way, what's down here? Chest, but I can't get the chest yet, so. Oh shit. Don't do that. Keep running. Keep running. Don't give in. Oh shit. I'm tripping. I'm tripping balls. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. I'm running. You ain't gonna get me, bruh. You ain't gonna get me, bruh. I may have no arm, but I have legs, and I have legs for days. Kitty, why do you just sit there and let this happen to me? You just sit there. But you know what? I can't get mad at you. You're my companion, and you stick by me through it all. What? That was a little bullshit. Trying to get them, but they're getting me. Ooh, they enraged me. Oh man. Had to put these fuck artists in their place. Oh my god, they tried to get me. You've got painkiller, great for impaling and redistributing. The hell? What the hell is that supposed to mean? Painkillers as a weapon. Sure. Let's give it a whirl. I'm gonna stab you with a syringe. Who wanna get stabbed? Oh shit, oh, that's bad. Killing bastard. Got both of them. Whew. This game making you think. You gotta think how you're gonna attack. You gotta think how you're gonna counterattack. You gotta assess numbers. Moonbread. Thank you. That's 3. Who are you? You're the chief. I heard about you. You destroyed the planet. You know I got blamed for that? You so fucking dead. Glad to finally meet the Destroyer. Funny world we got here, isn't it? Almost 2 months like the first one. Listen, I don't care what you're getting at. I've killed the banker. I'm going to kill the general. It's fine, Yuki. Her name is Yuki, that's good. But if there's one thing I can tell you, here it is. Something evil brought you back. It wants nothing more than to kill the dishwasher. It'll devour your soul to get to him. The nightmares, they're making me stronger. Though, I suppose now that you mention it, they've been trying to kill me. He's called the Creeper. You have to kill him before it's too late. Hey, we got company. Oh shit, bro. You working with me? Hell yeah, let's go. Damn, dude. My man, the chef. It is epic. My man, a beast. It's been an honor fighting with you, my good son. Too bad I can't take you with me. A rocket bee. So sad I couldn't take him with me. He probably would have kicked major ass. Decrease the amount. I'll take it from rockets. We'll cross that bridge later. If my boss is a rocket asshole. Because if he is, then that's a different story we gotta deal with. So wait a minute. Yeah, there's a key card here and another key card further back. So I'm gonna investigate both of them, so don't worry. I haven't upgraded my saw, so I think it's only fair, considering that's like my main arm, so might as well. So I can't go that way yet. Okay. Well, that answers that. So let's hurry on back. Yes, I used the key. Now let me in. Little pig, come on out. Let me get not by the hair of your chinny chino. Oh shit. A Skevel tank, fighter breathing Golf. Ow. That's why they gave that to me. He was a missile shooting asshole to begin with. That hurt. I might have to use one. Just to be safe, because I am playing a dangerous game with him. I need to have my clowns. Alright. I did it like a boss. Alright everybody, I guess we could call it there. We knocked those levels out with flying colors, like we always should be doing. I know we're nearing the end of this. So, let's take a look, and then we'll stop. I was a cyborg ninja assassin. My mission was to kill the Dishwasher, my step-brother. He didn't know it was me. He killed me before he figured out who I was. He killed me and moved on. But my story wasn't over. I was to become something else. Key card. Yeah, I figured as much. Okay, so we're definitely gonna be... What the fuck do you... It growled. Y'all saw that. But we'll come back to that. That's interesting. We got her name and name Yuki. That was her stepbrother. Didn't know that. And then he killed her for what X random reason we do not know. Obviously, he didn't know that was her. But granted, what was the purpose? So I guess we should find out in a later episode. So until then, everybody, thank you all for watching. And please continue on watching. And as always, I will see all of you when the next moon rises.